All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. They say that 9 raised power x is equal to 81. You know, normally, according to indices, normal math, they will give you 9 raised power x is equal to maybe 81. Okay, so you now have that 9 raised power x is equal to 9 raised power 2, then x is equal to 2. All right, but they will give you 18 that looks like 81 so that you will find it, you quickly think it's 81. Many people will think it's 81 and solve it like this, and then they will fail it. All right, now anytime you have an indices problem whereby the other side, the right hand side, the other side cannot be broken down in this form so that they will have the same base, what to do is to take the log of both sides. We now introduce logarithm to solve that. So introducing logarithm, I'm going to have log 9 raised power x is equal to what? Log 18. All right, now if this x goes to the back, I'm going to have that x log 9 is equal to what? Log 18. So what do we do now? Divide both sides by log 9. So therefore, x will now be what? Log 18 divided by log 9. So now, I can break it down. Breaking it down, I'm going to have that this is what? Log 18 is the same thing as saying 2 divide 9, 3 divide 3, 3 divide 1. 18 is the same as saying 2 times 3 times 3 all over log 9 is the same as saying 3 times 3. Okay? Now, according to indices, if I break this down, according to logarithm, the reason I'm having times is because of plus. So this is something I'm saying, if I want to put log for everybody, it's going to be log 2 plus log 3 plus another log 3. Okay? Divided by log 3 plus another log 3. Okay? Now, we know log 2 now. Log 2 is normal. That is 0.3010 plus 0.4771 plus another 0.4771 divided by 0.4771 plus another 0.4771. So if you add the numerator, you add the denominator, and then you subtract, you'll be having 1.3154 approximately for everything. So you see, this is very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.